Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at our front grille and lower valance right here. As you can see, it's pretty beat up, so we're going to go on ahead and we're going to start taking out the headlights and the turn signals and everything, and then we're going to get this stripped down and primed at least. Maybe painted, we'll see what we can find paint wise for it, but at least I want to get this cleaned up while we have it off of here. So let's go on ahead and dive into it here. Alright, actually pretty easy getting started right here, just taking off these headlights. Looks like they just pop on out here with a couple screws. Okay, that wasn't so bad actually. So we got all the lights out and everything here. I'm going to turn this over now and see if I can get this logo off right here. Looks like the nuts to take this off are size 8. With this completely stripped down of all the parts from it now, we can go on ahead and start prepping it for primer. Initially, I'm going to try and use a 320 grit sandpaper to see if I can get it cleaned up with that. If this isn't working, or if it's a little bit too hard with it, I might just break out the wire wheel and just hit it with a wire wheel. So let's go on ahead and get on it. This is looking so much better. All we've been doing is we've been using our sandpaper. I haven't broken out the wire wheel yet. I got this whole bottom piece done right here, sanded, and then this half is all done as well. So next I'm going to be moving on to this section, and then after this we can flip it over and we can do the other side and get some primer on it here. This backside looks a heck of a lot more work than the front, so for this backside I'm just going to hit it with a wire wheel here. Now that we have this all sanded down and cleaned off, we're going to go on ahead and start priming it. So we've been going after this with our primer here. It's looking a lot better than it did when we first started. But one thing that I don't like, it's got a lot of, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's a bunch of like little chips all over that were there from the beginning. I tried sanding those down and it's just really not taking shape how I wanted it to. You can still see those through the primer. I've been using some high build primer, so I'm going to try and sand it down again and see if that makes a difference. If not, then I'll probably just go on ahead and just take this down to bare metal and start fresh with it right here. I was trying not to have to do that, but it's looking like that we're going to have to try and do that probably. So we'll see how it goes after we sand it again, and if we can get another coat of some high build on here and see if that helps take care of these. But the way that it's looking right now, I think that they're too deep to be able to get with a high build primer. So we're gonna again try to sand it and see how we look, and then if that doesn't work, we're just gonna take the wire wheel to it and just strip it all the way down and redo it. We are just not getting there with the sanding and filling and sanding and filling on this right here. It looks good from about 5 feet away, but if you look up close, I don't know if you guys can see that well right there, there's still a bunch of chips kind of all over it right here. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna strip this down and start fresh on it right here. So I got the grinder with the wire wheel on it, and we're just gonna go at it and get this done here. Yesterday we went ahead and I hit this with a rust converter because it had a little bit of some rust spots on here that I couldn't quite get off. So I hit it with the rust converter. Whenever you do a rust converter, from what I've been reading, you don't want to use an etcher on top of it. So it says to just jump up to the filler primer, and then from there we'll do a sealer coat after that. So we're going to go on ahead and get this primed now. this was definitely the right choice, taking this down to bare metal and redoing it right here. It looks so much better. There are a couple of spots I'm gonna have to do a little bit more body work on right here to it. There's a couple dents right here and there, nothing too bad. And then this around here is a little bit rough right here. It looks like it's had a repair on it. I might have to do a skim coat of some filler on that, but for right now, this is 100 times better than it was. So I'm gonna keep this as is. I'm unsure if I want to paint it or if I want to just kind of leave it primer for right now. We'll see before I put it back on right here, but for now I'm gonna call this one good. It's just a lot better than it was. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one.